Yes, you can intermix all shades. There are no limits for your creativity. Yes, you can mix any pastel shades with Shears Clear. Keep in mind, these shades are already pastel shades and get even more diluted when mixing with Shears Clear. From a safety point of view, you can mix them as there is no chemical reaction happening while mixing both products. However, we do not recommend mixing color switch with any mask as it can create color shift. For reliable color results, we recommend to dilute it with Shears Clear. No, the pastel and vivid colors have a different technology and are not compliant with the demi or permanent color chassis and color dyes.